How to fix for your account security logging into Facebook from an embedded browser is disabled. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is open up Play Store and search for Facebook and make sure Facebook is fully updated. So if you have the update button here, tap on it. Once you have done that, you want to open up your settings and now head over to apps. From here, search for Facebook, then tap on that option. Next, you want to tap on Force Stop, tap on OK. Once you have done that, you want to open up the Facebook app and make sure you have logged into your account. Now tap on these three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now head on to Settings. Now tap on Media. Scroll down and find the option that says Open Links in External Browser. Make sure you have tick mark this box. Now you want to open up your settings again. Tap on Apps and you want to search for the browser that you are using to log into Facebook. In my case, it is Chrome. Now you want to tap on Force Stop. Tap on OK. Once you have done that, open up Storage. You want to tap on Clear Cache. Now head back. Now tap on Permissions and make sure everything is allowed. So if there's anything which is not allowed, tap on the Allow button. Once you have done that, head back and now you want to search for Facebook. Here you want to tap on Set as Default and now tap on Clear Defaults. Once you have done that, now open up Facebook on the browser and your issue should be fixed. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.